Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing some ancient Indian secrets to grow your hair like crazy. If you follow the steps carefully, I challenge you that your hair will never stop growing. The thickness of your hair will leave you speechless. But please be patient because it may take some weeks to make it grow really fast. For the time, it's hectic, but eventually you'll end up having Rapunzel feels. So let's just start. So friends, before starting the video, let me clear one thing up. If you want to grow your hair really fast, work on your roots. If your roots are strong, it means your hair will grow. And if your roots are weak, it means zero growth. So a secret which acts as a booster to your roots is a hot oil massage. Friends, no complicated recipes. Just use cold pressed coconut oil or olive oil. Simply microwave the oil for 10 seconds, not more than that. The next step is to put your head upside down and apply the oil using the inversion method directly to your roots. Massage really well using your fingertips. Don't use sharp nails to massage your scalp as it's really dangerous. Massage well for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that, let the oil set down on your scalp for the next 45 minutes, and then you can shampoo your hair. Shampoo your hair using a sulfur and paraben-free shampoo. I recommend that you use baby shampoo or an argan oil shampoo. Now listen carefully. You have to do this oil pulling this way once a week. And yes, only once a week. Okay, so our next step is a protein mask. Obviously, you can buy any good protein mask from the market as well, but today I will prepare my grandmother's secret protein mask, which many of us already know. So, to prepare this mask, crack 1 egg in a bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt. Lastly, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. To remove that fishy smell of the egg, I'm adding in a few drops of lemon essential oil. Friends, believe me, after adding this, there will be no smell of eggs. Now mix this really well, and it's ready to use. Section your hair properly before applying this mask. Apply this mask directly to your hair by taking small sections. There is no need to apply this mask to your scalp. You also have to do this once a week, meaning oiling and a protein mask a week is necessary. After proper application, leave the mask as such for the next 25 minutes. Then after that, shampoo your hair with a sulfur and paraben-free shampoo. Now let me share some of my mistakes, which you can't repeat now, or when you're following this routine. Don't wash your hair with hot water. Obviously, you can take a shower with hot water, but save your hair from that water. Instead, you can use lukewarm water to wash your hair. You can't brush or comb wet hair. Let it dry naturally. Or if you have thick hair, then dry it using a blow dryer on the normal heat setting. You can't use a straightener, curling rod, or any heat product while following this routine. You cannot back comb your hair. Note, back combing is a big no, so basically, it's not allowed at all. I know, I might sound like a grumpy old grandma, but you were born Rapunzel. So, it really needs a lot of effort to grow super long hair like Rapunzel. The next and most important part, you will not brush your hair. Instead, use a comb to detangle your hair, starting from the ends and going towards the roots. That's the accurate way to detangle your hair. Follow this routine and hair care tips, and I promise there will be no hair falling out or hair loss, and your hair will grow even 10 times faster. And believe me, these tips are 100% effective if you add them in your daily hair routine. Please like this video to support me. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.